you experiencing a slow time on Etsy? Are your sales dipping? Kind of in a little summer slump? Today I'm going to give you a couple of tips to help you bring in some sales during your slow time. Tip number one is to reach out to existing customers. Now this is customers that your order has not fulfilled yet, that you haven't shipped or they haven't picked up. What I do is I'll reach out to the customer and I will upsell them. The goal is to upsell to get them to buy more before you fulfill the order. Okay, so I sell personalized baby clothing. 99% of what I sell is a personalized outfit with a hat or personalized outfit with a headband. So I will reach out to the customer and ask them if they want to purchase a personalized blanket. Now, I don't just say, hey, do you want to purchase a personalized blanket or a matching blanket? That's not what I do. I have a nice message already scripted out for them. I use the quick replies on Etsy. That's what you're going to want to do. It's going to make it super easy for you to reach out to your customers. And I personalize it for each outfit that I sell. I have a quick reply specifically for that outfit. So I will say, something along the lines as, thank you so much for your order. Before we ship your order, I just wanted to mention that we have this, blah, blah, blah. It's super popular. And, I just wanted to see, this isn't exactly what I say, but, we want to offer it before it ships. That way they can all ship together. It'll ship at no additional cost. Here's the link. Thank you again. And please keep in mind that if you do not respond, it will not hold up your order. Your order will still ship as scheduled. That's important because they don't want to be upset thinking you're upselling them. And then you're going to want to add the link to the message. Okay, that's super important. Convenience is a number one factor when you're trying to upsell because it's an impulse buy. It's kind of like when you're in the store and they have the candy right at the checkout. You want to make it an impulse buy and where it is easy for them. So I send them the link. The beauty about that is the link shows the picture. Okay, and on the link I have a picture of the outfit with the blanket. Okay, the good thing about that is they see it, they want it, they buy it, but also a lot of times our Etsy customers, they buy stuff from other sellers as well. So they're kind of like, I don't know, what did I buy from you? And then it brings that back and forth kind of thing. And that's the last thing you want when you're dealing with customers. You just want a quick yes or even a quick no, but you don't want it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So again, just to reiterate, quick reply. Reach out to your customers, upsell them. If you sell shirts, upsell with a matching hat. If you sell earrings, send out the matching bracelet or a bracelet that goes with it. Something that complements what they're buying. Okay, make it make sense too. You don't want to send something that doesn't make sense, that is something random. You want something that's going to complement what they already have, so then they want it. Okay, so send them the message. Add a link to the product, make it super fast, easy, and a lot of times, not everybody's going to buy, but a lot of times people will buy. If you have any questions on how to format that, what to send them, a script, shoot me a message and I'm happy to help you with one. I could give you what I have or what I use, or we can work on something together. So if you have any questions about that, drop it in the comments below. But that is the number one easiest way to get more money, make more sales during your slow time. That's by far number one. I did that last year. We made over 20 grand just doing that. Okay. Second tip that I want you to consider is reaching out to past customers. Now on Etsy, you are not allowed to solicit customers. So I'm thinking more along the lines of reaching customers through Messenger, customers that you have sold through if you sell online, or through your website, not website, but through your social media. You want to reach out to your customers that way. You want to reach out to anybody locally that you have sold to in the past. And this is, keep in mind, this is if you do not have an email list. Okay. So you just want to reach out to past customers or customers that always buy your stuff, your regulars. You had Mother's Day just passed, you have Father's Day coming up, you have weddings, you have teacher gifts, you have graduations, there's Juneteenth, there's, 4th of July is coming up, it's summer. There's so many things that are popular right now that you can reach out to your customers and offer them. You can even offer a little discount to sweeten the deal, but you definitely want to reach out, okay? And my third tip is very similar to that, and that is email your customers. Okay, you want to send an email. I know a lot of you guys don't have an email list, and that's why there's 2 and 3, even though they're basically the same thing. A lot of you don't have an email list, which is super important. You need to have an email list, okay? When you're doing your vendor events, have a sign-up sheet, collect emails. When you are online, collect emails. You need to offer a freebie to get emails. I can help you with that. Again, if you have any questions, leave a comment below or message me through Facebook. But you want to collect emails, especially now that we're in summer and we're going to start heading into fourth quarter and into the holiday soon. You want to be able to reach out to your customers. So collect emails. I can't stress enough how important an email list is. You don't have to depend on algorithm. You don't have to depend on if Etsy is showing your products or not, or if Facebook is showing everybody your posts. If the site is down that day, you own your email list. It's one of the only things that you're going to own marketing online, right? So own your email list. Again, a freebie is a great idea to collect emails. I created a freebie last year. We ran it right before Christmas. I collected over 1,000 emails in probably 5 days. So I can definitely help you with that. Again, leave a message, comment below, and I got you with that because it's important. So you're basically going to want to shoot out an email. You're going to have it up, summer's coming email, what's new for summer, get your da-da-da for summer, and highlight a summer collection or, the products that you have that you want to sell. Offer a discount code. You can also offer referrals. It's just a good way to drum up some business. A lot of times we are spoiled when we sell on Etsy or a third party. We're kind of spoiled because we're used to the people coming to us. We're used to customers coming to us looking to buy. But in the summer months, people are out enjoying the weather. There's graduation parties, there's weddings, vacations. People are busy. And when you reach out to them, it really, for one, it's great customer service. And number 2, a lot of times people want to buy and they keep meaning to ask you or meaning to message you, but they keep forgetting because they're busy. So it's a win-win situation. You reach out, you're the hero of the day, you give them a gift, you provide the gift that they need. So don't be afraid to reach out to your customers. It's going to move the needle for you. And it's also going to, keep your customers loyal and coming back to you because they know that you care about them. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or if you have anything that you want me to cover for you in the next video. But please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you. We'll see you next time.